guys, welcome back to my vlog. Long time no see. I haven't vlogged in like a month probably, or posted a video in a few weeks. Sorry, I've been bad at that. Yeah, so I thought I'd start a vlog. I think I'm gonna make this like for the week, unless I have enough footage for today. But today is just gonna be kind of some life updates for you guys. But currently, getting ready for work. New piercing if you didn't notice. But yeah, getting dressed. Also trying to prep my food that I'm gonna take in to eat for my lunch at work. But yeah, let's go to the kitchen to show you what I'm actually making. Okay, so right now I'm just grilling up some chicken. You know, making all of this so I can have it to use throughout the week. Probably gonna do today I'm doing chicken nachos. And I'm probably gonna do some wraps because I have some tortilla shells and stuff in there. But yeah, so here's the chicken. And then over here, I just have like my bowl that I'm gonna put it in. And I'm probably gonna top it with taco sauce and sour cream. I'm gonna put those in like these little mini containers so it doesn't get all spoiled at work. And I'll just sprinkle some cheese on top. I don't have lettuce and stuff, so this isn't gonna be the most glamorous chicken nachos, but yeah. Okay, so I found some bigger size containers, thank goodness. So I'm just gonna put my taco sauce and stuff in here. Chop it up and put it in my containers. Pick out the pieces that you don't like. I guess that's life. You can't pick out the pieces that you don't like. This one is what I'm eating today, so I'm just sprinkling cheese on top of it now, so that when I warm it up, it'll be nice and melted. And I like cheese, so you know. But yeah, here's my lunch for today, and then I just drink water. I've been trying to drink a bottle of water almost every day. Actually, I think I'm gonna take the rest of these grapes with me too. They're starting to dry up, so yeah. Oh, almost forgot to mention, I love to eat the Mission tortilla chips. They're gluten-free, which, I mean, I don't have issues with gluten, but they're good. Okay, so I'm gonna update you guys some more. Well, I have a new wig. I think I'm gonna do a review on this. Let me know if you guys want to see it. Yeah, I've been rocking this red hair. What else has been going on? Oh, I started working in the salon, and then I'm taking my exam in the esthetician next week too, so that's fun. Yeah, so I've been getting business cards for that, trying to figure out what product line I want to use, but she's kind of giving me free reign of what I want to use, so that's exciting. Yeah. So, look how beautiful this hair is. This probably isn't an everyday hair because it's about like 40 inches long. Yes, 40 inches. Whatever. But, you know me. I do what I want. You do what you want when you're popping. I think today This is a very casual look. This shirt, I thrifted it. It's somebody's grandma shirt, like, honestly. Yeah, I'm probably gonna just fill in my eyebrows, not do any eye makeup or anything. I try not to do eye makeup if I like don't have time to film it, because I like to put it on my channel. Because people always ask me, oh, what do you use for your makeup and stuff? And I'm just like, wish I would have filmed a look on this, but you know. So yeah, I'm putting my contacts today. You know, I hate wearing contacts, but or I think I'm gonna go with the grandma vibes and just keep on the glasses. Yep, I'm wearing them, but they're dirty. And this probably isn't the ideal shirt to clean it with either, but you know, you do what you want. Alright, so I'm doing my eyebrows. These are like, okay, I don't know why I have this. I grabbed the wrong brush. Like, these are essential products that I use when I just do my eyebrows, which, oh, I'm just filling in my eyebrows. That's still a lot of products. But yeah, if you guys want to see an updated eyebrow routine, let me know. I think I'm going to film it anyway, just because, shoot. The last one I did was like, the last eyebrow routine, I think I'm going to film my eyebrow routine anyway, just because the last time I filmed one was like in 2016. And boy, I watched that video recently. Okay, I wish my iPad would shut up. But basically, yeah, big difference. So yeah. Pretty sure that's just my group message. Almost positive, because it's not popping up on my phone. You know how it is. You be having like 100 messages from a group. Yeah, I usually keep the group on Do Not Disturb. My iPad is actually on. Like, I never use my iPad. And yeah, now it's just dinging and dinging. Like, oh, shut up. Honestly, I usually just do eyebrows, BB cream, and that's it. Which, I love this BB cream. It's from the Body Shop. I'm kind of nervous to put on makeup on the rest of my face because I just got my nose pierced yesterday. He's just like, just make sure you don't put any makeup on it or around it. And I'm just like, okay, I'm gonna just have like a red patch. So yeah. Nose is running. But yeah, this is basically just my natural face routine. I feel like it's pointless. Maybe I'll make an eyebrow routine / everyday makeup routine, because I really don't even wear makeup. Like I had this, I think I filmed that. Pretty sure I filmed like an everyday makeup routine a couple years ago. And that's when I used to like always wear eyeshadow. Like I always used to wear like a gold on the lid or something. I don't even do that now. Like literally if I'm just gonna be out and about, nothing fancy, like this is what I do. Eyebrows, BB cream. Sometimes I'll do like foundation and concealer and stuff, but not always. But yeah. A little outfit of the day as well for you guys. This shirt is thrifted. Like I said, literally somebody's grandma's shirt. Just wearing black leggings. I buy all my leggings from Justice because I can fit them. And I pay like $6. And then I have on my wheat Timberland boots. Which hopefully these keep me nice and toasty because there's like a couple inches of snow outside. See you guys in a bit. I bought a camera mount like for my car. You guys might see me in the car with that.